Depends on the river.
Is it cold? Oh gosh. Don't you splash me, that's cold. There's a choo-choo. Wave to everybody, say hi. Really? It says it's permit. I have questions, so I don't know about that. lot of seating. Pretty much every area you go to in here, which is nice, and the fact that this is under the shade really helps. Oh, is it gonna dump? Yeah, go ahead, get under there. Well, this water is actually warm. Oh, I got mommy. You okay? Don't want to think too much about it, but the water in the kids area over here with the slides is like bath water. Hopefully that does not mean that it's pee water. But either way, I'll take it. It's probably like 85 or 90 degree water. It feels really nice. So I'm just walking around. Everett's going up and down the slides, having a good time. Are we going for tube slides? Oh man. These ones are moving a lot more than the other ones were. This is where I get nervous. Of course, you start swim lessons in like 3 days and not currently. It's alright. Hey! This is the big tree house structure they have here. It's actually themed after the US Brig Niagara, which was out in Lake Erie. I don't know the full history behind it. I think there's like some information here. But yeah, they call this tree house the Battle of Lake Erie. There's a flag up there somewhere near the big ship that says, "Don't give up the ship." So it's a cool theme. Like you see some pretty standard tree houses and stuff, but this one's pretty neat. I like that it has a theme to it and not just like a tree house with a big bucket or whatever. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, comes right down that big ramp for the water. That's pretty cool. I think coming through here too, when you leave Waterworld at the end of the day, you can go through the swim shop, and they said they actually have discount tickets for the Erie Maritime Museum, which is here in town, and it tells you all about all the ships and stuff that have been out on the lake over the years. There have been shipwrecks and stuff too. So, very cool, lots of history.